Every type of truck. Explain box truck. A box truck has a separate cab in the front and a large enclosed cargo box attached behind it. It is one of the most common trucks seen in cities and towns. Businesses use box trucks to move furniture, appliances, retail products, and many other goods. The enclosed design protects cargo from weather and theft, making it a reliable choice for local deliveries. Pickup truck. A pickup truck combines passenger transportation with cargo carrying ability. It features an open cargo bed behind the cabin, allowing people to transport tools, equipment, and materials. Pickup trucks became especially popular in North America, where they are used for both work and personal transportation. Their versatility makes them useful on construction sites, farms, and everyday roads. Semi-truck. A semi-truck is a powerful vehicle designed to pull large trailers over long distances. The truck itself, often called a tractor, connects to a separate trailer carrying freight. Modern economies depend heavily on semi-trucks because they transport goods between factories, warehouses, ports, and stores. Their large engines and long-haul capability allow them to move massive amounts of cargo efficiently. Flatbed truck. A flatbed truck carries cargo on a completely open platform without walls or roof. This design makes loading and unloading easier, especially for oversized items that cannot fit inside enclosed trailers. Construction materials, machinery, and industrial equipment are often transported on flatbeds. Chains and straps are used to secure the cargo during travel. Dump truck. A dump truck is built to carry loose materials, such as sand, gravel, dirt, and demolition waste. Its cargo bed can be lifted at one end, causing the load to slide out through the rear. Dump trucks are commonly seen at construction sites, mines, and road projects. Their ability to unload quickly helps keep large projects moving efficiently. Tow truck. A tow truck is designed to move disabled, damaged, or illegally parked vehicles. Different towing systems have been developed over time, including hook-end chain, wheel lift, and flatbed designs. Tow trucks play an important role in road safety by clearing accidents and assisting stranded drivers. Many operate around the clock to respond to emergencies. Tanker truck. A tanker truck transports liquids or gases inside a large cylindrical tank. These vehicles carry products such as fuel, milk, water, chemicals, and industrial gases. The design helps keep liquids stable during transport while reducing the risk of spills. Tanker trucks are essential to industries that depend on large-scale movement of liquid products. Refrigerated truck. A refrigerated truck, often called a reefer truck, uses cooling systems to keep cargo at controlled temperatures. Food products, medicines, and other temperature-sensitive goods rely on these trucks during transportation. The technology allows products to travel long distances while remaining fresh and safe. Modern supply chains would struggle without refrigerated transport. Garbage truck. A garbage truck collects and transports waste from homes, businesses, and public areas. Various designs exist, including rear loaders, front loaders, and side loaders. These trucks help maintain sanitation in cities and communities by removing waste efficiently. Specialized compacting systems also allow them to carry large amounts of trash before unloading. Concrete mixer truck. A concrete mixer truck carries concrete in a rotating drum that keeps the mixture moving. This prevents the concrete from hardening before reaching construction sites. Builders rely on these trucks when pouring foundations, roads, bridges, and buildings. The rotating drum is one of the truck's most recognizable features. Logging truck. A logging truck is specially designed to transport cut timber from forests to processing facilities. Long trailers and strong supports hold large logs securely during travel. These trucks are commonly found in regions with active forestry industries. Their design allows them to handle heavy loads across rugged terrain and remote roads. Car carrier truck. A car carrier truck transports multiple vehicles at the same time using stacked platforms. Automobile manufacturers, dealerships, and transport companies use these trucks to move vehicles efficiently. Adjustable ramps help load and unload cars of different sizes. They are a familiar sight on highways near major automotive markets. Fire truck. A fire truck is an emergency response vehicle equipped with tools used to fight fires and assist during rescues. Depending on the design, it may carry ladders, water tanks, pumps, hoses, and specialized equipment. Fire trucks have evolved over many decades to meet changing safety needs. Their presence is critical during emergencies where every second matters. Military truck. A military truck is built to operate in demanding environments where ordinary vehicles may struggle. These trucks transport troops, supplies, fuel, and equipment across difficult terrain. Many feature all-wheel drive and rugged construction for reliability in harsh conditions. Armed forces around the world depend on them for logistics and mobility. Monster truck. A monster truck is a heavily modified vehicle fitted with extremely large tires and powerful engines. Originally developed from pickup trucks, these vehicles became popular through entertainment events and competitions. Their ability to drive over obstacles and perform dramatic stunts makes them a unique category of truck. While not used for cargo transport, they have become a recognizable part of motorsports culture.